Wherever you go, you will find members of the insect kind. If you look closely, you will see we have three-part bodies. One, two, three. Most of us have two pairs of wings. Our antennas are these feeler things. Most of us have three pairs of legs, and most of us lay lots of eggs. Hey, what's the hurry, big and furry? Insects are an important kind. There are more of us than the rest of you combined. Got no time to talk to ants. We must go on to the world of plants. From the Berenstain Bears Big Book of Science and Nature by Stan and Jan Berenstain.